How to browse and search for products on Wayfair. First of all, open the app on your device. Once it loads, you will see the home screen filled with categories, featured items, and daily deals. To browse products, scroll through the categories such as home improvement, kitchen, furniture, decor, outdoor items, and more. You can tap on any category to see a full list of available products and use filters to narrow down by price, style, color, and customer ratings. If you want to find a specific item, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the product name, style, or keyword, then press the search button. The app will display results matching your search, and you can further refine them using the available filters and sorting options. When you find a product you like, tap on it to view details such as product description, dimensions, customer reviews, and images. You can also add items to your favorites or shopping cart for later purchase. Now you know how to browse and search for products on Wayfair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.